In this lecture, we are going to learn how to install Python on macOS. If macOS is not the operating system you're using, feel free to skip this lecture. If you're a Mac user, you're in luck because macOS makes it pretty straightforward to get Python up and running. Let's dive in step by step. First things first, let's check if Python is already installed on your Mac. Open your terminal. You can do this by either searching for Terminal in Spotlight or navigating to Applications, Utilities, Terminal. Once you have the terminal open, type Python 3 -- version. This command checks the version of Python 3 that might already be installed. Most modern macOS versions come with Python 2 pre-installed, but we want Python 3 for our course. If you see something like Python 3 .something, then you already have Python 3 installed. If not, we need to install it. To install Python, we will use a package manager called Homebrew. Homebrew makes it easy to install software on macOS. If you don't have Homebrew installed, let's get that set up. In your terminal, type this command and press Enter. You can also copy it from the Homebrew website, brew.sh, and paste it into your terminal. This command will download and install Homebrew. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You might be asked to enter your password during the process. Once Homebrew is installed, we can use it to install Python. In the terminal, type brew install Python. Homebrew will download and install the latest version of Python 3. This process might take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, we need to verify that Python has been installed correctly. Again, type the following in your terminal. You should see the version number of Python 3, confirming that the installation was successful. To make sure that you can use Python commands from anywhere in your terminal, you might need to add Python to your path. Homebrew usually takes care of this, but let's double-check. Type the following command in the terminal. This command adds Python to your path for the Z shell, which is the default shell in macOS Catalina and later. If you're using an older macOS version with the bash shell, use this command instead. After that, reload your terminal configuration by typing this, or if you're using bash, type this. Python should come with pip, the Python package installer. To verify, type this. If you see a version number, pip is installed. If not, you can install it by typing this. Finally, let's test if everything is working correctly by writing a simple Python script. In your terminal, type Python 3. This will open the Python interpreter. Now type this. If you see Hello Python printed on the next line, congratulations, you've successfully installed Python on your Mac. In the next lecture, we'll be focusing on our Linux users and getting Python installed on their systems. Let's get ready to make Python slither smoothly on Linux too.